Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 11 verbs. Okay, so here turn page number 62. Underline the transitive verb and circle the objects in the sentence. Okay, so if you have not watched the verb section, in that I have discussed about the complete explanation about the verb, types of verb, transitive verb, and how to find the object in a sentence. The details have been discussed in the video. You can go to the playlist and watch. So here underline the transitive verb and circle the object in the sentence. Okay, the man carried his umbrella. Okay, the man carried his umbrella. So here carried is transitive verb and here the object is umbrella. Okay, so if you want to know the object, the presence of object in a sentence, then you have to ask what or whom. Okay, what or whom. So here the man carried his umbrella. What carried? Okay, just ask what or whom to the verb. What carried? Umbrella. So here umbrella is direct object and carried is transitive verb. Then next, Jojo signs shoes. Okay, Jojo signs shoes. What signs? Okay, what signs? Shoes. So here shoes is direct object and here signs is transitive verb. Okay, transitive verb. So here the question, underline the transitive verb. I have also underlined. Then you have to also circle the object. The object has been circled. Then next, I water my plant every day. Okay, I water my plant. Water what? Okay, water what? Water my plant. So here water is transitive verb and my plant, you know, my plant is object. Okay, direct object. Then next, I completed my homework myself. You know, here the word myself, you know, this is known as emphatic. Okay, emphatic pronoun. So I completed my homework. Okay, completed what? Completed homework. So here homework is object and completed is transitive verb. Then next, the tiger attacked the deer. Okay, attacked whom? Attacked whom? Here the deer. Okay, so here the deer is a direct object and attacked is transitive verb. Then next, my mother cooked delicious soup yesterday. My mother cooked what? Okay, cooked what? Delicious soup. So here delicious soup is a direct object. Okay, then cooked is, you know, cooked is transitive verb. Then next, the monkey snatched the banana from the boy. Okay, so there are two objects in this sentence. This is known as ditransitive. So here the snatched, you know, this is known as ditransitive verb. So here the banana, the boy. Okay, the banana. What snatched? What snatched? The banana. From whom? Now from the boy. So here from the boy, this is known as indirect object, the boy, and the banana, you know, direct object. And here snatched is, yes, snatched is transitive verb. Okay. Then next, she gave her book to me. She gave her book. So here also there are two objects, me and also her book. She gave what? She gave her book. So her book is a direct object and to whom? To me. So this is indirect object. Okay. So here gave is transitive verb. Then next, underline the verb in each sentence and write T if it is transitive and write I if it is intransitive. Write down the complement of the for the intransitive verb. Here the book fell down. Okay, the book fell down. So here the book fell down. So you know here this is intransitive verb. There is no object in the sentence. So here fell. So what fell down? What fell down? Now the book fell down. So here you know fell is intransitive verb. Okay, intransitive verb. Down, you know, complement, subject complement. That means here the down gives information. What fell down? Now the book fell down. So here the book is subject and down is complement, subject complement. Then next, Ramesh snatched the toy from his brother. This is a transitive. Okay, because there are two objects in the sentence, the toy and from his brother. Okay, his brother is indirect object, then the toy is a direct object. Okay, so here snatched is transitive. Then next, Kusum is courageous. Okay, so here courageous is first, is intransitive verb. Okay, so here courageous, you know, complement. Which complement? Subject complement, because it gives information about Kusum. Here courageous is complement. Then next, Mrs. Patak was angry with her neighbor. Okay, so here this is intransitive verb. Okay, intransitive. Patak was angry. Mrs. Patak was angry. So here angry is complement. Okay, angry is complement that gives information about Mrs. Patak. Subject complement. Was is intransitive verb. Then next, the man gave the bone to the dog. So there are two objects, the dog, then the bone. So gave is transitive verb. Okay, Param left the room quickly. So here this is transitive verb, left, and the object is room. Okay, the room. Then next, I am 10 years old. So here I am is intransitive verb. So 10 years old, you know, this is gives information about, okay, subject I. So 10 years old will be subject complement. Then next, I always sleep well. So here sleep is intransitive verb and well, you know, complement that gives information about subject. So here sleep will be intransitive verb and well, that is subject complement that gives information about the subject. Okay, then next, finite and unfinite verbs. Underline the finite and finite verbs and circle the non-finite verb in the sentence. The captain asked the player to pass. Okay, so here asked, this is finite verb. Okay, finite verb, and to pass, you know, this is non-finite verb. Okay, then the maid came to clean the house. So here came, this is came, you know, finite verb. Okay, then to clean, you know, non-finite verb because it has no tense, non-finite verb. Then next, I sat the table to complete my homework. Okay, so I sat, you know, this is a finite verb. Then to complete, this is non-finite verb. Pushpa asked me to give her a pen. Asked is a finite verb and to give is non-finite verb. Tina dislikes waking up late. Okay, sorry, Tina dislikes waking up late. So your dislike is dislikes. This is finite verb and waking up, you know, non-finite verb. Then next, Nitin ran to catch the bus. So here ran. Okay, ran is finite verb and to catch, this is non-finite verb. Then next, the eagle swooped down to grab a piece of meat from the ground. So here swooped, you know, this is finite verb and to grab, non-finite verb. The boy climbed. Climbed is finite verb. To bring, this is non-finite verb. Lying is wrong and you shouldn't do it. Okay, so here lying is, you know, this is non-finite verb. Okay, so here lying is used as a noun in this sentence. Lying means, you know, it is the act of telling lies. So here is, okay, is finite verb. Is finite verb. Then do. Okay, do, you know, do is non-finite verb. Okay, then next, let's write a paragraph about the things you do in the course of a day, from the time you wake up till you go to bed. Underline all the verbs in the paragraph and classify them as transitive, intransitive, or non-finite. Okay, so here you can write this. Okay, okay, so I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.